Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how we can enter data in multiple Excel sheets at the same time. Welcome to the 1 minute Excel tip video series where we can learn some very useful tips and tricks in just a minute. So to type data in multiple sheets, all you have to do is just hold Ctrl button on your keyboard and select multiple sheets by just clicking on them. Look, the sheets are now grouped together and automatically highlighted. Now if you type text or whatever in one sheet, it will automatically reflect in the second one. If you want to ungroup them, then just click on other sheet to ungroup them. So guys, this is how we can type data in multiple Excel sheets at the same time. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.